Welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. This is my video review for metal platform. So here I am presenting 3 best metal platform. The first one is Zinus Italian made 12-inch olive oil pocket spring hybrid mattress. A bed with the added finesse of Italian masterpieces. The mattresses feature premium packed spring olive oil infused foam and a luxurious soft quilted cover, giving you everything you need for a bounce sera. Made with the 4 inches of olive oil infused memory foam, comfort and support foams, along with the 8-inch premium pocket spring for motion, isolation and edge support. Ideal for back and stomach sleepers and average to plus sized weight individual. Mattresses is OEKO-TEX certified, meaning it measures up to Europe's height standards and is free of harmful substance. Cover feature convenient handle on the 2 sides for easy maneuverability. Our technology allows this mattress to be efficiently compressed into one box that's easily shipped and maneuvered into a boredom. Simply unbox, unroll, and these mattresses do the rest, expanding to the original shape with 72 hours. Worry-free 10-year limited warranty included. Twin mattresses support a maximum weight of 250 lbs, while all other sizes can support up to 500 lbs. The next one is Zinus 12-inch gel memory foam pocket spring hybrid mattress. The mattress delivered the 3C of the sleep, even if your partner like to practice their dance moves in bed. Our cooling foam and pocket inspiring keep away body heat and motion from a sleeping partner. For sleepy, there's no sweet. 1.25-inch soft comfortable foam, 1.5-inch cooling fusion gel memory foam, 1.25-inch responsive violet foam, and 7.5-inch motion isolation eye coil pocket spring, ideal for back, stomach and average weight to plus size sleeper. Highest quality foam is the Certi Pure USA certified for durability, performance and contact. Our technology allows these mattresses to be efficiently compressed into one box that easily shipped and maneuvered into a bedroom. Simply unbox, unroll, and this mattress does the rest, expanding to the original shape within 72 dimensions, 60-inch into 80-inch into 12-inch. Fabric kitten jacquard, worry-free 10-year limited warranty included. Twin mattress support to maximum weight of 250 lbs, while all other sizes can support up to 500 lbs. The next one is Zinus 12-inch support plus pocket spring hybrid mattress with Euro top extra firm feel. Our finesse mattress over is engineered with 10% more heavy gauge steel eye coil protect inner spring foam, added stability and extra firmness, ideal for stomach sleeper and plus-sized individuals. 1.25-inch soft comfort foam, 2.5 total inch durable high density foam, 7.5 motion isolating eye coil pocket spring with the microfiber filled in Euro top and quilted jacquard over. Highest quality foam is a Certi Pure USA certified for durability, performance and contact. All sizes are subjective to plus. Our technology allows this mattress to be efficiently compressed into one box that easily shipped and maneuvered into a bedroom. Simply unbox, unroll, and this mattress does the rest, expanding to its original shape within 72 hours. Worry-free 10-year limited warranty included twin mattress supports a maximum weight of 250 lbs, while all other sizes can support up to 500 lbs. 1.5 top comfort foam layer, 2.5 inches density foam support layer, 7.5 inch base layer for of over 10% more individual worked coils, Azure no motion transfer. That's all for now. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.